Ninay from Lipa City. If I found a place, would I recognize the face? Huwag po kayo may pero hindi po ako naligo.
Okay, so I'll see you the next time.
Thank you
We'll
po.
tell you when. Okay?
Sa gabi wala, hindi ako iiyak. Akala nyo.
Congratulations sa aking Luzon Regional Finalist. Naku, as far as I'm concerned, sa puso ko, lahat kayo may kanya-kanyang klase ng star power. And now, the ultimate face-off begins dahil ang aking mga star power regional finalists from Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao, maghaharap-harap na. The excitement continues only here on Star Power.
Sa screening at ang kikilati sa kanilang galing, ang ABS-CBN top management and the megastar herself.
Who will be responsible for choosing kung sino ang papasok sa Star Power Club. We have Ms. Charo Santos Concho, ABS-CBN President and Chief Operating Officer. Ms. Cora Vidal, Head of ABS-CBN, Ms. Wendy Tan, Head of Entertainment. Ms. Malu Santos, Managing Director, Star Cinema. Ms. Wesley Isha, Business Unit Head, ASAP XB, ASAP Live, and Star Power. Ms. Annabelle Galago Bora, Managing Director, Star Records. Mr. Johnny Manahan, TV Director, Star Builder, and Star Magic Consultant. Mr. Fred Garcia, former ABS-CBN President. And siyempre, hindi mawawala ang Philippines' one and only megastar, Ms. Charo.
Kasi po, yung pong tatlo pong kasunod ko, sobrang gaganda ng boses. Cause when I'm with him, I am thinking of you.
Nasurpresa kaming lahat.
Iha, bakit ganyan yung look na gusto mo?
Gusto ko na po talaga to dati.
Gusto ko yan individuality mo eh.
The final screening is finally over. Kung nakikita nyo, ayan sila. So sino kaya ang nakapagpahanga sa ating mga hurado para makasama sa Star Power 12? Naku, pati ako kinakabahan. So it's time for the deliberations and I'm so excited. Pati ako nang lalamig. Ito na!
Ako rin na
Originally, we decided talaga on 12, kaya po Star Power 12. Pero
Finally, mula 12, bigla ang naging Final 20 ang pagpipilian kung sino na ang may tunay na star power.
Pero ang tanong, sino-sino sila? Na kay Mega ang sagot.
ay naku po, sa wakas, nasa akin na po ang mga pangalan ng Star Power finalists who will rightfully take their place on center stage. At yan po ang aming problema, pinag-usapan, wag po kayong bibitiw mga kapamilya dahil ipapakilala ko na ang maglalaban-laban this season. Dito lang po sa Star Power.
Sino na ngayon ang pasok sa Star Power 20?
Ang Big Star Power Revelation, hinding-hindi nyo dapat palalampasin sa pagbabalik ng Star Power. Here on Star Power, the Stars. What does it say?
Congratulations. You should be proud that you are now part of my...
Congratulations again!
Natasha Marie. That's your full name.
Yes.
Okay. Whatever is inside that box will secure your future. Are you ready?
Yes.
Buksan mo na.
You should be proud that you are now part of my Star Power 12. I am excited to join you on this journey. Thank you.
Congratulations. 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 Congratulations.
Yeah, that's the first place for you.
Congratulations.
Ngayon, eto na sila. Sa wakas, ang Star Power 20. Welcome to my Star Power Hindi na po 12, ang hirap pumili. So kung pwede lang lahat manalo. Pero nandito po ang aking 20 and I will welcome them one by one. My Ninay! Wow! Nagulat ka ba, Ninay? Welcome to the Star Power 20 na kayo.
Basta po, sobrang kong saya dahil hindi ko po talaga akala.
May 20